Did you know you're glowing right now? It's not a metaphor. Your body emits a tiny amount of light, a phenomenon called bioluminescence. This glow is 1,000 times fainter than what our eyes can see, but it's there, a secret light show happening on your skin every second. This isn't some mystical energy. It's a byproduct of your cell's metabolic reactions. So even in complete darkness, you are a source of light. You are literally brilliant. Think about that the next time you're in a dark room. You're not just existing in the dark, you're faintly illuminating it. Now let's talk about your bones. You might think of your skeleton as a permanent, unchanging frame, like the steel structure of a building. But that couldn't be further from the truth. Your skeleton is a dynamic, living tissue that is constantly remodeling itself. In fact, over the course of about 10 years, you essentially grow an entirely new skeleton. Specialized cells called osteoclasts break down old bone, while osteoblasts build new bone. This process, called bone remodeling, allows your body to repair microfractures from daily wear and tear and adapt to the stresses you put on it. It's like your body is performing its own home renovation, replacing old materials with new ones, ensuring your frame stays strong and resilient. So, the skeleton you have today is not the same one you had a decade ago, and it won't be the same one you have a decade from now. Ready for a slightly gross but amazing fact? Let's talk about saliva. You produce a lot of it. On average, a person produces about 1 to 2 liters of saliva every single day. That's enough to fill 2 medium-sized water bottles. Over a lifetime, that adds up to an incredible amount. If you were to collect all the saliva you produce in your life, you could fill 2 entire swimming pools. It might sound strange, but this constant production is crucial. Saliva helps you digest your food, keeps your mouth clean by washing away bacteria, and allows you to taste the wonderful flavors of your meals. It's an unsung hero of your digestive system, working tirelessly behind the scenes. So next time you enjoy a delicious meal, give a little thanks to the rivers of saliva, making it all possible. Have you ever wondered what happens in your brain while you sleep? It's not just resting, it's actively cleaning house. As you go about your day, your brain forms countless new connections and memories, but not all of these are important enough to keep. So, while you're dreaming, your brain gets to work, pruning unnecessary neural connections and consolidating important memories. It's like a highly efficient data manager, deciding what to keep and what to delete to make space for new information the next day. This process, known as synaptic pruning, is why a good night's sleep can help you think more clearly. Your brain is literally tidying up, discarding the mental clutter from the day before. It deletes memories to help you remember. It's a fascinating paradox that keeps your mind sharp and ready for whatever comes next. Let's move on to hair and fingernails. They seem pretty straightforward, right? They just grow. But there's a common myth about them that's worth debunking. You might have heard that hair and nails continue to grow after a person dies. It's a spooky image, but it's not true. What actually happens is that after death, the skin around the hair and nails dehydrates and retracts. This shrinking of the skin creates the illusion that the hair and nails have gotten longer. In reality, all growth processes stop once the body's cells are deprived of energy. So, while it's a popular trope in horror movies, your hair and nails don't have a life of their own. Their apparent post-mortem growth is just a trick of dehydration, a final fascinating illusion created by the human body. And it doesn't stop there. Your body is a universe of strange and wonderful phenomena. Every single part of you, from the way you perceive color to the trillions of bacteria living in your gut, is a testament to the complexity of life. These facts aren't just trivia, they are windows into the incredible machine you inhabit every day. You are a walking, talking collection of mind-blowing biological wonders. Thank you for joining me on this journey through the weird and wonderful world of the human body. If you found these facts as fascinating as I do, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the science that makes you, you. Don't forget to share which fact surprised you the most in the comments below. Until next time, stay curious.